aboard this Avanti West Coast service to London Euston. Calling at what 61016. We'll sort it. See it, say it, sorted.
I am on the way. Every time I start, it goes dark. I'm on the way to London today. I'm going to be first premiere and I'm so excited. And I'm going with Disney. When I got this email, I tell you now, I didn't think it was real. But I haven't been into London in absolutely ages. I actually don't know if I've actually been in this year. Have I? Yeah, I have. I went to Sabrina twice, about 5 weeks ago. Yeah, but I'm so excited. I'm going with Bridget. I haven't ever vlogged with Bridget before, and I keep thinking someone's gonna come. Yeah, I am so excited. It's my outfit last minute because I did have on like this bobbly, like red, I was gonna say snake, it's not, like cockapoo looking red jumper, and it was nice for the weather, but it was really sunny and I felt like it was gonna be hot, and you know when you go to London you sweat and it gets hot, so I've gone for this. I was crop me up, to be honest. That's not gonna work. It's like this, oh there we go, like tie up button, but it's really good because these buttons don't come undone, and obviously the full fit is from M&S as usual, so I'm so excited. Got me hair extensions in again, which did mean my bag got me a little Coach one, which actually also matched. Again, heels, I can wear heels. One was a size 6, one was a size 7. So I've got my silver again, which I don't know, the dress code said smart casual, which I feel like is the worst, what's it called? Outfit description, dress code, outfit description, like ever. So do you know what, you probably can't hear me, so I'm gonna go, and yeah, I will let you know when I'm nearly there, but I'm running late as usual. So yeah, I keep touching everything thinking I forgot something, but I haven't, so excited, and I will see you when I'm there, and Bridget's there as well, so yeah. It is absolutely criminal that my summer is not being spent there this year. I just want to see the Gh0st again. So I see Coldplay. I've seen Coldplay. I've actually seen Coldplay there in September. God, that feels like a hot minute away. September, and then I'm seeing Post Malone at the Tottenham Stadium, which I've never been to. I don't even know where it is. I presume Tottenham. Hey.
Hi guys, welcome to the vlog. Today I have, what's this, a lemon iced tea. Let's have a little sippity whip.
Did I press play? Yeah, I did.
Oh yeah. Oh, it's very singling. Ow.
Do you want Trisha Paytas?
Oh, Trisha Paytas. Do a little. So actually, Trisha, if you're watching this, please invite me in honor to the Eras of Trish tour. We can come on stage and sing Shallow with you. Ready? I'm at the deep end, watches I dive in. We're right out Universal Music too, so what if they hear me and they're like, yeah, we'll get her on the tracks with Taylor. They're like, what is that blessing my ears right now? The vlog.
Guys, it's like a full-on premiere, look.
They got cameras and everything.
Just
the camera flight, they're waiting
just little old us on the way.
Oh my god, this is crazy.
Finna be in the pit.
We finna be in the pit.
Stop.
Wait, this is actually kind of cool.
Imagine if our names aren't actually on the list. Now, we
Us two
are going
pretty
in there.
princesses.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Shut up.
Stop, this is actually so sick.
This is so
There's
funny.
So many photographers.
Closed for a private event. Wait, are they going to put us on the red? Are they going to put us on the red carpet?
Stop.
Shut
With my fucking
up.
water bottle.
With our trainers.
What?
Oh, stop.
Wait,
Look. We are in way out of our depth.
We just gotta.
Guys, Jason Momoa is up there in that box.
Eyebrows, shoulders
You can
with
see it.
Jason Momoa.
We were walking down and I was like, Bridget, there's Jason. And she was like, no, it's not. I was like, yes, it is. And it was.
I'm going crazy.
And we got drinks. They're very
Okay, wait,
strong.
there's security. Who's that guy filming everything? He's got security behind him.
Guys, this is our first rodeo.
No,
We've been here 2 minutes. I'm loving it.
our first rodeo and we don't want it any other way.
I did see someone from they're off the telly.
Jason Momoa. There's a countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, level up.
To put our phones away when it starts, but if we can show you who the special guests are, then I will show you. But
bye.
You can wait.
Diego Luna and executive producer and president of Lucasfilm.
He's from Mamma Mia.
A 15-minute previously on season 1 that we're really happy with, and then we're going to show you the first 14 minutes of episode 1.
Now, please put your phones away and brace yourself.
I mean, we just held hands all the way through the whole process. I spent a lot of time talking to Luke. Where are you? So he's here tonight, but big shout out. Crucial, important part of the show.
Balances both character development and action in such a unique way.
I mean, really honestly, I'm just terrified you're not going to pay attention. To be honest with you, I'm just so insecure and...
So good. Now it came up so good. But now we've got to wait till April 23rd. I just walked back to the station, but I had the best evening ever. So interesting and so cool. I love movies. I love like the behind the scenes and everything to do with it. It's like to see the premiere and see like the production and the costume assistants and everything like that, and the costume directors and everything speak about everything to do with it was just absolutely insane, and it was just the coolest thing, like one of my dream like bucket list things, and it's ticked off and I had just the best time. So it's not actually too late now, so I'm just heading back home, but I just had the best little old evening. I don't know how much I got because I wasn't allowed to get, obviously, because it doesn't come out for a while. Like I think it's like a week, so it's all like the first 15 minutes, but I was just happy to be there. And yeah, I am once again sat on the floor because quite honestly I would rather sit here when my train is literally, I'm gonna get off in half an hour, than walk through the aisles to try and find a seat. Obviously if you want to get an Avanti West Coast train, you need an Avanti West Coast ticket. Basically, I've done this, I've never done it before, and I've done it the last 2 times I have come to London. I did it when I went to Pitbull, I lost my ticket in the pit, and I went to tap my pocket because obviously like we was going to sprint to the tube when we went to the O2, and it wasn't there, and I turned around and it was in the pit. I saw it on the floor, so I went and got it. Then I managed to lose it again. So that was that. And then I've just done it now. I had it with me the whole time, obviously, to get out of Euston tube station. You need your ticket. I nearly just lost it. Went to go get the train, they was like, you don't have a ticket, and I was like, no, I do have a ticket, I have the receipt. Like, I had it in my hand, it's gone, and I just had to run back because I was like, no, I had it, and I went and got sanitizer from WH Smith, and sanitizer and a bottle of Coke, the Euston Essentials. She was on the floor, so I've acquired said ticket, so I wasn't lying. I think if I was lying, so I wasn't. And yeah, I'm now on my way back home, and I will be home for a reasonable time, because the train after this, if I'd missed this one, was 45 minutes till the next train, and then it was the long one where it stopped everywhere. So I finessed the system and I'm managing to get home for a normal time. So yeah, I was just looking at my pictures and I actually can't believe what just happened. Like I was saying, I will recap again once I'm home, but like the inner moving me inside is crying. Just production TV film me is crying, and I just can't believe it. So yeah, I'm gonna have a look, enemy pictures whilst I'm in a safe place where no one can snatch my phone out of me, because London scares me at the moment. And yeah, I'll see you when I get home. Oh, I am back. I need to take this out because it is pulling. Oh gosh. Oh, do you know what? £16. What a bloody bargain. I'm gonna scrape her back and have a shower quick. Oh, just take these off. These are my lashes Violet, and this is only their first wear, and I've only got like, I want to say 7 left, so, and I obviously can't get them anymore, so I'm trying to keep these safe and not lose them. Right, so it's now Friday. I had the best time last night, and I'm wrapping this vlog up here because I don't want to bombard you with too much, and I don't know, I feel like if it's quite chaotic, so I'm just going to wrap it up all mellow and chilled. But I need to show you my favourite thing of this week, and it is these gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous gift I got from KM Crafts. You're not ready. Look at these. These are drink tumblers, and this is a Sabrina one. I'm obsessed, and this is a Taylor one. I have to show you the Taylor one because this is just insane. We've got Tortured Poets, we've got the Cowboys, You Okay, You Belong With Me sign. I'm obsessed. I have had, this month, my gallbladder is playing me up at the moment, and if you gallbladder girlies know, I've been on the vitamins, I've been on the water and everything, and I've been using my Taylor Swift Eras Tour Cup for the longest time, and it doesn't keep a drink cold. I just have to keep adding ice and ice, obviously because it's just standard water bottle. So I love to put an obscene amount of ice in everything just to keep it cold. I love a cold, refreshing, crisp drink. So these bad boys, I've been putting a few ice cubes in, and they just keep cold all day long. And I'm obsessed. So they come with a little straw. I've been using this on the regular, so it's downstairs in the wash. But yeah, I just love it. I'm obsessed. And then I actually went to Sabrina, even went out of their way to send me a short and sweet set list from the day I went to, and it's in this like metallic red, and I love a good poster to commemorate the concert. I didn't get one because I didn't know where I was going to put it, and it's so big, but this is going to fit on my shelf perfectly. I just got to get a frame for it. But it's even got like, couldn't make it any harder, it's got the surprise song there from my date I went to, and if you use the code HONOR, it will get you 10% off. So I'm going to leave the link down below because I'm obsessed, and I need to go have a look because I'm trying to be a good adult babe, but I'm a sucker for any fangirl merch, so yeah, so obsessed with that. But that is the finished vlog. I'm going to vlog next weekend, which is Easter weekend. Gonna see what we get up to, but I'm starting this vlog off so much more unglamorous than I started it, but that's okay. So yeah, thank you so much for the love on my Primark video as well, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.